Before installing your Gemm or Joie infant car seat, please review your car seat instruction manual. Always remember to properly install the car seat on your vehicle seat before placing your child in it. The Gemm and Joie infant car seats are rearward facing only for children from birth to 13 kilograms. Before installing, ensure the shoulder harness slots are even with or just below the child's shoulders. Place the car seat onto the vehicle seat so the car seat is facing rearward. Pull the vehicle shoulder belt tightly and securely. Slide the lap belt into the two side guides. Engage the vehicle buckle. Slide the shoulder belt into the rear guide. Pull the belt to fasten the seat tightly and securely. Double check to make sure it does not move on the vehicle seat. Unfold the support leg from the storage position. Rotate until you hear a click and the support leg is locked in the open position. Locate the ISOFIX connectors and rotate them 180 degrees. Align the ISOFIX connectors with your vehicle's ISOFIX guides. Click them together with a simple push. There should be 2 audible clicks. The indicators will turn green when properly attached. Make sure the support leg touches the floor and that the indicator is green. Place the car seat onto the base, pressing down until it locks and the indicator turns green. Unfold the support leg from the storage position. Rotate until you hear a click and the support leg is locked in the open position. Place the base on the vehicle seat. Pull up on the lock-off device to open. Route the vehicle seat belt through the belt path and under the lock-off device. Engage the vehicle buckle. While pressing down firmly, pull the vehicle shoulder belt to tighten the base securely. Close the lock-off device. Make sure the base is installed securely by moving it back and forth at the belt path. Make sure the support leg touches the floor and that the indicator is green. Also make sure the base is flush to the vehicle seat. Place the car seat onto the base, pressing down until it locks and the indicator turns green. To release the car seat from the base, pull the car seat up while squeezing the car seat release button. The Gemm and Joie infant car seats are designed to attach to most Joie strollers. Please refer to your stroller instruction manual for more information and to make sure your stroller fits with the car seat. To attach your infant car seat to a compatible Joie stroller, lock the brakes and recline the stroller seat to the most reclined position. Click the car seat onto the stroller. Use the straps on both sides of the stroller to lock the car seat and stroller securely together. For more detail, please review your Joie instruction manuals or visit joiebaby.com.